If you're a six-figure business still relying on your front desk staff to chase down reviews, book appointments, answer every call, you are losing leads daily to competitors who've already automated all of this. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how our clients are getting 4 times more appointments, saving over 10 hours a week without having to hire a single extra person. So if you want to see this in action, please do stick around. I'm going to hook you up with a free demo that shows a step-by-step method of how we're doing this. And if you're wondering who we are RX Marketing. We are an agency working with six-figure businesses that want to grow and scale faster without burning out or losing leads. Now, most of the businesses I speak to are doing everything manually. They are manually asking for reviews, asking for appointments, manually answering phones, manually replying to every single inquiry, and it's costing them more than they realize. Now, here is the truth. Most of your competitors are automating new 5-star reviews from their clients, automating their appointments, automating their customer service, their tasks, while you guys are still playing catch up. So what we've done is we built a robust 3-part system that outranks your competitors. Now, here is how it works. First, number one, our AI review assistant, it automatically gets clients to leave 5-star reviews for you, the happy clients, who you rank higher on Google. It builds your reputation and attracts more leads without you having to lift a finger. Second, our AI receptionist, it answers every single call, books appointments directly on your calendar, and it never misses a lead, even after hours. Now, 3, our AI chatbot. It lives on your website, answers frequently asked questions, and instantly books appointments. So your staff isn't stuck relying and replying on questions all day. So the results is attracting more leads with a better reputation, 4 times more appointments, better customer service with happier clients while saving 10 hours and more a week. So if you want to see how this works, please do drop a line below in this video, and I'm going to send you a link for this demo. It shows you exactly how this works and how fast you can start bringing in more leads starting this week.